Okay, good morning, boys and girls. Today in the 8th grade math, we are discussing scientific notation. Scientific notation is another method of writing really big numbers and really small numbers. So let's look at it. Suppose you have a big number like this. This is a number in standard notation. If numbers get really large, sometimes it's painful to write numbers this large. Like, not literally painful, but it's annoying to work with those numbers. So when science deals with really large numbers, like distance between planets, they have a shorthand way of writing them. So one thing you can do is there's a decimal here. You count how many spots there are until you get to right after the number. You want just one number in front of the decimal. That means you have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we would write that as 7.2. And to represent, we move the decimal 10 places times 10 to the 8th. That's how you'd write a number in scientific notation. Sometimes calculators or computers write as E8 instead for shorthand. It's the same thing, doesn't matter. So let's do another example. Okay, the decimal's right here. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. A lot of students stop here. We want just one number. So 5. So 6.34 times 10 to the 5th. Okay, that's how you deal with really big numbers. Let's look at really small numbers. Okay, here we have a tiny decimal. We want just one number in front of the decimal that is not 0, just like we did with large numbers. So instead we're going to count the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8.42 times 10, but to represent it's a small decimal versus a big giant number, we're going to write -6 instead of +6. The negative represents a small number, the positive represents a big number. Okay, now that's how you go from standard notation, the way you normally write numbers, to scientific. Let's do an example or two where you go the other direction. Okay, so I typically just start by writing 9, 5, and then the decimal started here, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and just put a bunch of zeros. You can erase the dots. You can also make the loops, which is probably more common. I probably should not have made dots. Actually, the decimal does go here. So you would have gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, I went too far, didn't I? Okay. Good thing I checked that. Okay, so 9.5 times 10 to the 8 is also equivalent to, what is this? 1,000, 1,000,000, 950 million. Yeah. And going the other direction, 4.23 times 10 to the negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this can be right in here. 0, 0, a 0 in each loop. and then the 423 stays the same. That's how you go from scientific to standard. Any questions, feel free to email me. This is our last new assignment, new topic for the year, so congratulations, you've now learned everything in 8th grade math you're supposed to. Adios.